All right, parking lots. Bunch of little intersections and a bunch of idiots. It's a Nissan hardbody. I wish I had one of those. My grandpa had one. You don't have to do this part. Great U-turn, by the way. Great U-turn. Handled that well. I don't care about all of this. He was just cutting across. So he was cutting across all the areas, everything. But when I say that parking lots are a bunch of intersections, I'm going to show you just real quick all those little parking spots. Look at all the sides of the vehicles. Now, most people aren't in the vehicles. They don't come to the parking lot to sit in the parking lot. They go inside. But when you see like headlights are on, brake lights, running lights, the rear reverse lights on, that means there's somebody in the car. So if there's any type of electrical activity with the lighting system in a vehicle that is parked like this, just assume that they're going to come out. I don't know if they just parked. I don't care. I'm assuming they're coming out. Now, obviously, this guy right here is moving around. So in a parking lot, go to lower rate of speed. You look for these uncommon things in a common situation. It's a perfect area to plan your ride. And a lot of accidents do happen in parking lots. So if you really want to have close calls, stay in a parking lot all day and just keep riding around. You got pedestrians. You got a bunch of other issues. So this right here, guy's coming out. Go ahead and slow it down. Okay, he's obviously going that way, then go this way. Doesn't really matter. Just kind of move around. Get out of the way. Do whatever you need to do. He looks like he was maybe not paying attention. He was supposed to go in here because he did come back around. But maybe he was going to try to cross everything. You're not supposed to do that. I get it. But rev bombing is not going to solve your problem. Getting yourself in a better position for safety is going to solve your problem. We located it, assessed, navigate into a new position. Got to keep rotating that process. Rotate that process. But real quick, I just want to point out, this is an amazing looking parking lot. If there's nobody here, look at that. Look how open that is. Great area to practice your Smart Rider drills. We got our booklet. Go ahead and grab one. You get some cones if you want to get the cone kit with it. But 20 plus drills, have a bunch of fun, practice your slow speed maneuvers. That's why I say the guy did a good U-turn. This parking space from this end to that end is about 18 feet. So he did about an 18 to 20 foot U-turn. Very good. Don't know what that says. What do we have here? So line of sight right behind this truck. Can't see anything. Position yourself a little bit better. See a bunch of brake lights. Don't know why there's brake lights. Why? Yeah, we weren't paying attention. Wasn't a good position. We looked at the guy. We looked at the motorcyclist over there when he passed us, and we weren't paying attention to the vehicle in front of us. Not very good. So I'm just going to go over it real quick, not too long. So that's what she said. What we're going to be doing here is I just want to show you the lane positions, left, center, and right. So I like to be off to the left or off to the right because you can't see around this giant vehicle. Now you can see when they're applying the brakes. Okay, why are they applying the brakes? Are the people in front of them really stopping hard? Well, then that guy's going to stop hard. Are we going to react to this guy or the guy in front of us and the guy in front of that and the guy in front of that? With being in the left side, you can see around the vehicle, and the right side, you can be around the vehicle. Also, you can scoot yourself back and increase your space cushion because if you're super close like this, you can't see my head. If you get further and further away, you can see around me. So move yourself back or move yourself to the sides. And that's the whole point when it comes to positioning for safety, okay? So we have to constantly locate that we have a bad line of sight. We don't have an escape path, really, because if we're going to be slamming the brakes, we can escape to the left or the right. And space cushion, good space cushion, but we're not in a good line of sight. And also, we're kind of like in a white stage for that split second. So when we get up to here, brake lights should indicate something's happening. Move off to the sides. We're getting closer. Okay, everything's fine. We're going to look at our buddy here. Why is he putting his foot down? I don't know. Oh, crap. Look what's in front of us. And there's the reaction. We reacted way too late. Not good. Not good. So hopefully he's doing fine. Moved off to the side. Very good. Remain calm. Ensure his own safety in a rescue attempt. Thankfully the bike works. Hopefully it's in good riding condition so you can get home. All right, clutch up Keith. Here we go. Going through a corner. Buddy crashed. Oh no. Hit his head, hit his shoulder. Are we going to be able to rescue this rider? Hopefully nobody else crashes. Look at everybody else is going wide too because they're looking at the crashed rider. Focus on your ride first. And then once you get around, stop to help. I don't know why we're not stopping. All right, anyways, Eddie Munster. Okay, one of these cruisers going to crash. Oh, panic brake. Is that what you guys think? Write in the comments if you think that's a panic brake. Do you think it's maybe oil, gravel? What is it? You know, it's a red light for us. So you see the red light. He's already dumping the bike. Wasn't paying attention, possibly. All right, we're in Denmark here. Different country, different culture. Okay, brakes. Good job positioning for safety. Watch out for a curb. Okay, so I believe the motorcyclist, write in the comments if you think this is what happened. We're assuming that the car was going to turn left. That's what I'm assuming. So I'm assuming that. So as a motorcyclist here, we're just going to continue our speed because we have a decent space cushion. They're going to turn left. By the time we get to them, they're already gone. That's my guess. Okay, but that's not what happened. That's not what happened. So now we're at this point, you hear the braking. So now he's trying to apply the brakes. So for me, until somebody actually turns and gets out of the way, I am not assuming that they're turning. Until they're out of my way, they haven't turned yet. Reason why he hasn't turned yet, we had a vehicle. So we didn't see all of that. Okay, we can't get pissed off at this person. It's our failure to yield, or not yield, but our failure to not hit somebody. Okay, if you're in a car and you hit the back of them, it's your fault because they didn't turn left. It doesn't really matter. They had the right of way to do whatever they want to do because they're in front of you. Here, thankfully, we found an escape path and got ourselves out of it, but we shouldn't have put ourselves in that position in the first place. All right, right turner right in front of us. Kind of the same thing. Should have seen the side of the vehicle. Whoa, real quick. Makes face. Is that his name?
Things are screwed.
This is Arizona.
Make sure the older lady's okay. Hey,
Typically I do an after action of these, but you guys tend to not like them. Let me know in the comments. You guys don't really watch those.
It's like freaking out. I just asked them. She said they're okay.
Okay, we're rescuing.
I saw it. We saw it in a rear view mirror and heard it, and we're just
Walking wounded, doing fine.
Did you see his car? His car is bad. The whole front.
So 3-vehicle accident. First person probably slammed the brakes. Second person hit them.
Man, dude.
Third person hit the middle person.
It's destroyed.
That's my best guess.
Okay, are you okay?
My chest hurts.
Oh yeah, man. That was
Possible broken. Not broken ribs. Maybe some screwed up cartilage.
Yeah.
Seatbelts hurt.
Make sure you were okay.
Better than hitting your face.
Scared me.
Was not paying attention.
Yeah, it happens.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
I'm glad you guys are all good.
He was white staged.
It's probably best if we can get you guys out of the vehicles. Yeah. Because they're leaking pretty bad.
Yeah, man.
I mean, it's good to get out of the roadway, but when we're this slow, might not be the best.
Okay.
Yeah, they're okay. Oh man, dude. I know in the vacuum, the car vacuum is thrown out of the car. Dude, that is an impact for him to hit her and then after hitting them still roll.
Well, yeah, he just had his foot off the brakes.
Yeah, we saw it in our rear view mirror, and then his lady.
They did a U-turn.
Actually saw a handful of it. So if you need.
Hey, came back to rescue.
Doing a quick little.
Great job.
If one of you,
Cool.
whoever saw it, really saw.
I'll consider this a smart rider.
I wanted to actually write a statement. Yeah, I said, dude, I am just thankful that for the most part, everyone's okay.